Welcome to the Drum Set Therapy Podcast. My name is Stefano Ashbridge, and this is a show about the challenges that come with playing the drums and what you can do about them so you enjoy your drumming journey. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Today's question is, knowing what you know now, what would you do differently if you had to start over learning the drums? I guess that would be to structure my practice time and set specific goals right away. And I'll add to that, learning to track my progress over time. I don't want to be too hard on myself because I eventually found my way to doing that, but I think the sooner a musician works on those things, the better it is for their journey. Some things I did right, though, would be to find a good teacher and listen to them for guidance, and also start playing with other people as soon as possible. As always, I hope these things help. Thanks for listening. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Till next time.